The flood situation in Kelantan has improved significantly with only 8 relief centres still in operations this morning. All 8 are in the Pasir Mas area, housing 1,559 victims. As of this morning, only the Pasir Mas district remain affected by floods, while other districts have returned to normal. Only 2 rivers in Kelantan recorded levels above their warning marks, while the water level at other major rivers in the state has decreased. The 2 rivers are Sungai Kelantan in Kuala Krai and Kampung Temangan, as well as Sungai Golok in Pasir Mas.